G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This jade tree is 20 years, 8 months old. I did a video on this tree 8 months ago and yeah, it's just needing a little haircut, and I've got some cuts, some trimming cuts that I want to do. I want to cut this down and make skinny it up so it looks like more taper, and I want to cut this bulge off so that it doesn't look like it's got reverse taper of thin to thick to thin. I'm going to get rid of that as well. So, but what I'm going to do first is just remove this branch here, since it's going anyway. It's too low. We'll get rid of that. Alright. Now, I'm going to cut that straight away. There you go. Take that piece off, and I think now it's looking better. What I'll do is, once it's dried off and hardened up, I'll trim around the edges of it a bit as well. But I think that's much better. And I want to do that as well. It's going to be a bit more tricky because of the other growth that I don't want to damage. Okay. I think it's given the tree the taper that I'm looking for. Taper look. In the last video, I tried. I trimmed this little nodule down, and I tried to get some new growth start, but it didn't. So unfortunately I've got no branches coming out this way on this tree as of yet. There we go, just a slither. Yeah, anyway, there you go, that's that. Now it's just a matter of trimming up. This has definitely got enough of a bend in it now, so I think I can take that off. If anything, I could probably put it on that one. give this branch a bit of a bend down. This branch here may be too close to the trunk of the tree as well, so I may end up getting rid of that. I like this branch because it's nice size, but it's very straight, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get much bend in it. I've got to shrink it down a fair bit too, because it's the tippy top of the tree. It's got to have a small branch, so I'm wondering whether I should get rid of that altogether and have this upper one as the branch coming out this side. But my problem with this one being used is these two are the same level, and that's not very good for the tree to have them both on the same level. They've got to be staggered, and I really do like this branch because it's so thick. this one that I'm sort of not sure about. I was going to keep it in case I decide this one was no good. So I'm going to leave it now for that reason.
I need to get out.
Well, you shouldn't come in.
How do I?
Why would I want you to go back a certain distance? I'm nearly done. Just
The gym starts at 5:30.
yeah, just hang on, all right? Okay, so I'm just going to put a lead weight on that one. I'm going to leave that one and I'm going to wire this. There's a few of them that I'm going to wire just to give them a bit of shape while they're still flexible. But otherwise, that's about it for this tree. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.